driving today comes with its own set of challenges, and protecting yourself on the road is more important than ever. From unexpected accidents to parking mishaps, a dashcam can be your silent witness, providing crucial evidence and peace of mind. But with so many options out there, how do you choose the right one for your needs and budget? That's exactly what we're diving into today. We'll explore the top 5 dash cams available, covering everything from essential features to easy installation, ensuring you find the perfect co-pilot for your vehicle. Whether you're a daily commuter, a rideshare driver, or just looking for an extra layer of security, this guide has you covered. Before we jump into our top picks, let's talk about why a dash cam is a non-negotiable accessory in modern driving. Beyond documenting accidents for insurance claims, they can deter theft, monitor your parked car, and even capture unexpected moments on the road. Features like G-sensors automatically save footage of impacts, while parking modes keep an eye on your vehicle when you're not around. GPS logging can provide location and speed data, and Wi-Fi connectivity allows for easy access to your footage via a smartphone app. Let's kick things off with our best budget-friendly option, perfect for those new to dash cams or anyone needing reliable basic protection without breaking the bank. Our first recommendation offers solid 1080p Full HD recording, giving you clear footage that's more than sufficient for identifying license plates and incident details. This budget contender typically features a compact design, making it unobtrusive on your windshield. Installation is usually a breeze, involving a simple suction cup mount and a long power cable to route around your trim. It includes essential features like loop recording, overriding old footage when the card is full, and a basic G-sensor for impact detection. While it might lack advanced connectivity, its straightforward operation and dependable recording make it an excellent entry-level choice for around $50 to $80. Moving up to our mid-range category, our next dashcam strikes an impressive balance between features and cost, often priced between $100 and $180. This model elevates your recording quality to 1440p Quad HD, capturing significantly more detail than its budget counterpart, especially in varying light conditions. What sets this mid-range option apart is the inclusion of integrated GPS, which logs your speed and location directly onto your footage, adding crucial context for any incidents. It also boasts Wi-Fi connectivity, allowing you to easily view, download, and share recordings directly from your smartphone app without needing to remove the SD card. Installation remains user-friendly, often featuring a sticky mount for a more permanent and discreet fit, and some models offer a rear camera option for dual protection. For our second mid-range contender, we focus on enhanced parking surveillance and robust performance, typically found in the $150 to $250 range. This dashcam usually comes with a superior parking mode that can record time-lapse footage or even detect motion and impacts using a hardwiring kit, protecting your vehicle 24/7. This option often provides a dual-channel setup, including both a front-facing camera with 1440p or even 4K resolution, and a rear camera that records in 1080p. The rear camera offers vital protection against rear-end collisions and tailgating incidents. Its advanced image sensor performs remarkably well in low-light conditions, ensuring clear footage day or night. Setup is slightly more involved with dual cameras and hardwiring for parking mode, but most kits provide clear instructions for DIY installation or can be professionally fitted. Now, let's step into the premium segment with our fourth pick, where advanced technology meets superior build quality, usually ranging from $250 to $400. This dashcam is designed for users who demand the very best in terms of video quality, reliability, and smart features. Expect true 4K Ultra HD resolution for the front camera, capturing breathtaking detail, combined with a high-definition rear camera. This premium model often includes cloud connectivity, allowing you to access live view, receive parking incident notifications, and upload crucial clips remotely, requiring a constant power supply and sometimes a separate data plan. Its robust design and advanced supercapacitors ensure durability in extreme temperatures, while features like advanced driver assistance systems, or ADAS, can warn you of lane departures or forward collision risks. Installation for cloud features typically benefits from professional hardwiring. Finally, our top-tier premium recommendation pushes the boundaries of dashcam technology, often costing upwards of $400. This is the ultimate choice for comprehensive protection and cutting-edge features, designed for discerning drivers who want absolute peace of mind. This ultimate dashcam typically offers superior optics, perhaps with a wide dynamic range for exceptional clarity in all lighting conditions, and a multi-channel setup that can include an interior camera for rideshare drivers. Advanced features like radar-based parking mode minimize power consumption while maximizing surveillance, detecting movement before an impact even occurs. Its robust security features and seamless integration with smartphone apps provide unparalleled control and access. While professional installation is often recommended to fully leverage its capabilities, the investment delivers unmatched safety, security, and smart features for the ultimate car protection. There you have it, our top 5 dash cams for every budget, designed to help you navigate the complexities of modern driving with confidence. From basic recording to advanced cloud features, there's a dash cam perfectly suited to your needs and wallet. Investing in a dash cam isn't just about protecting your car, it's about safeguarding your peace of mind on every journey. Drive safe.